Destroy Milim Nava.
You dumb fucking bitch! I'm gonna fuck you!
Drop the bass, main the bass, get lower. Radio say speed it up, I just go slow.
This is what happens when Milim finally snaps. After her own aunt, Velzard, freezes her four heavenly kings solid right in front of her, Milim's rage unlocks a power she's kept sealed away. Her ultimate skill, Wrath King Satanuel, ignites, becoming a magical multiplying furnace that generates literally infinite energy. Her mythical-grade armor fuses into her body, transforming into a hideous new shape. A single red horn sprouts from her forehead, jet-black wings erupt from her back, and her skin is covered in shimmering dragon scales. This is the true form of the Dragon Princess, the embodiment of absolute destruction. Heaven and earth rumbled as the world is once again exposed to the wrath of an ultimate, unstoppable dragon.
Nice to meet you. I'm the one and only Dragonoid known as the Destroyer. People call me the Demon Lord, Milim Nava. She's a Demon Lord? I heard that you're the strongest monster in the forest now, so I came to say hello. What's this? Are you here because you want to play?
Hopefully we at least caused a little bit of damage.
Wow, that was pretty impressive!
Okay.
You know, that attack might have actually worked on a different Demon Lord! There's no way they would have achieved that big blast in one piece! Still though, your pitiful attacks have no effect on me!
Okay,